Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you receive incorrect password on your iPhone error, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your keyboard on your iPhone. So just check if you turn on the right keyboard. So also you need to check this thing. So after you can try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. And if you still have the server, so just go back, just go to the settings, just open general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. So, and if it doesn't happen, if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, open software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest update for your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.